it.
So our Discord's just like keeps updating, and it constantly is changing the settings on things. Let's tell some words. What's good? What's good? What's up? What's happening, Frederick? What's going on, boy? We're gonna be starting soon. 50 people. All right, let's try getting to at least 80 to 100. Come on now. I'm just gonna switching up some settings here. Student, show numbers, permissions, connect, new members, no, no, save. All right, I think we should be good. 50 here. Woods will be coming in. What I'm gonna do here, just a second, guys. I'm gonna pop up my Discord, and we're just gonna go through some of the P&Ls that we caught in this last week while we wait for Woods while he does the showcase. I'll be 1 second, guys. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll close the door behind me. All right, I'm back, boys. Got some Jersey Mike subs, baby. All right, okay. 1 second here. Let me pull this up. Woods is just having some technical difficulties on my screen. Screens. Go live. All right, can you guys all hear me and see my screen? Perfect. All right, so let's go to the last week here. Or just 1 second, actually.
Yep, what's going on, guys? We're back. We're back in business. Yo, let me share my screen.
All right.
What's going on, everybody? Appreciate everybody coming through. We'll do some giveaways. I'll probably give away a few $100, like I said. Give away some beta access. I already have maybe two. Yo, hey, Doll, what I want you to do is I want you to look for two people. We'll give beta access to them. We need people that are gonna come in beta access to actually do work. We have some news regarding the waitlist as well. Just wait till the end of the stream. We'll only be here for half an hour, guys. Not gonna take up too much of your time today, but I do appreciate everybody coming through. Share my screen here for a second. Bang. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. All right, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go through basically what we've implemented a few different things, like I said. So last time we were on stream, obviously I showed you guys, and you guys probably have access to so I can get on this chat so I can see what you guys are talking about. All right, I'm just gonna have to go back and forth through the chat because I can't open my other screen. What's up, Source? How you doing, buddy? I'm not lucky to do this kind of thing, so congrats. And hey, Araya, what's up, bro? Don't say you're not lucky, bro. It's okay. We gotta speak positivity. Speak positivity, man. Not no negativity in this stream, guys. Speak positive. So basically, what I want to do, guys, I want to I'm gonna go through obviously a few changes that happened throughout Discord. We've added the volume automations, which is I think beautiful. Obviously, what is going on here? Why why does it look like this? Yo, native, what's going on? I think it's just a glitch. But anyway, you click on the 4 hour, see the highest volume in the last 4 hours. You can do over the hourly, check what the lowest volumes are, see what coins you should be playing, what coins you shouldn't. Like in the past 15 minutes, right? INJ probably had a pretty big on influx. I would assume INJ didn't have an influx. Links popping off. SOL is probably going to pop off soon. You can see there's a lot of volume coming in. T is lagging. There's a lot of volume coming in. That one's probably going to pop off soon. Last hourly, you can check what the volume is on that as well. See Dogecoin's popping off. Sheep, Pepe, obviously Floki. Ones like that were popping off recently. Ority's popping off soon. So this is a good indication of what volume's coming in. Obviously, it shows the highest volume. We have the RSI heat maps. You guys know about that. We've added the lick alt, but that's not completed yet. No one's gonna have access to that just yet. We added the major, so you have ETH, BTC, SOL liquidations. We added that for all you guys, so make sure you get that alert if you want that. We created a video as well from my boy Dilio in the bot playbacks. I believe we have a video for that. So that's good. And the EMA 200. So whatever coins are above the EMA 200, obviously they're looking to flip a big level. Probably look to get some moves soon. You can see what coins are doing on the lower time frame, higher time frame, etc. You can see which coins are under as well. So maybe you can anticipate a coin flipping back upwards. Which there's not a lot of coins that are under the EMA 200 right now. They're mostly above it, looking to retest it. So we added those automations for you. Does anybody have any questions in regard to those new automations that we added under the Woods V2 bot? Anybody been using them? Anybody been, what's up, McKinley? Good to see you, bro. Anybody been using the automation? Yeah, the RSI heat maps are great because I mean, it's one thing to look at like your RSI, right, on charts, but it's another thing. Like I said, guys, this is just a glitch. I don't know what's going on here, but it's another thing to just click the 4 hour, see what's oversold, what's overbought on the 4 hour, right? You could see, okay, so we got, you know, all these coins are oversold. These coins are kind of in the middle. These coins are at the top. They're mostly overbought. But just because they're overbought doesn't mean that they can't get bought now. So these coins are good to see. You could maybe combine, high volume coins in combination with what's overbought in the RSI. Maybe you could get a cheeky long scalp for a higher high, or vice versa with the coins that are oversold. You could see what's producing more volume. Maybe they're in the middle and they might be looking to pop off soon, etc., etc. So yeah, that's a really good automation. I agree with you on that. And what I challenge you guys to do is to use three confluences within the Woodsbot Discord to construct plays, right? You don't need a chart necessarily. Obviously, you'd always want to look at a chart, but you don't necessarily always need a chart when you're looking at these heat maps. If you already understand price, you understand what a certain coin is doing, you can really just use these confluences together and see like to create a good play, right? And we also have the like I said, the indexes, we have the RSI bot automation. So all these are coming out for you, right? We're just making things, you know, kind of in the realm of work smarter, not harder, right? And this is what the bot does for you, right? As well as the heat map liquidations. This is via my boy Legend. He hooked us up with that. So we got this in the Discord for you. This is a good gauge of where licks are, a good gauge of where bids are, I should say. And then these are a good automation for where licks are on a chart. So brought you guys a big chunk. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you guys a little bit throughout the week of what the AI bot did. Obviously, we have a lot of people test. Well, we have a few people testing the bot out. So within the past week, I want to show you guys what has happened, what we've done, the damage we've done, I should say. Um, So where are we gonna start? Where are we gonna start? Obviously, like this isn't everything, and I want to be super transparent. So first off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the thread that Native made. This is from February 19th to the 25th. Do we have anything from the 25th to now, Native? Or are you just gonna be? Yeah, you'll probably be doing that after the weekend. So We could look through, the profits made through February 19th to the 25th, because I'm not going to be looking at trades through that time frame. Probably look at ones that are after that. So those are statistics for that week. These are ultimate P&Ls from our beta testers from the 23rd on. I'm just going to scroll through it and then I'm going to go through certain charts and we'll transparently go through them like we did last week. So, I mean, as you can see, just Pico's everywhere. Pico, Pico. And if I have anybody that is testing out the bot in chat right now, if you could just kindly just talk about your experience within the last couple of weeks, right? You could be transparent with the L's that it's taken as well, right? If you took an L on it, be transparent with how many wins to L's you've had. Look at this one. 40% on CKB. My boy printing on CKB. Irish Dan's a fantastic tester of the bot. This guy's all over the place. Crypto Luck, my boy. See you working some magic here as well. Got the snipe on BTC before the pop. This was Pico bottom on BTC, by the way. Pico bottom last week. STG, Storage, Unify, Badger, Hot, Phil. Pico bottom on Phil. This was the one that I gave to the group as well, and Wealth Group if you guys are in there. Printed that. Then we had a Cascade come shortly after that. So obviously you'd want to move your stops up. That was the bottom for Mask. Beautiful. Wow. I forgot to put my limit for that. That hit Pico bottom. Damn. Fuck. Fuck. OP, beautiful bottom there. Damn, that one hit too. Wow, I didn't have these limits down for when the nuke happened. I had other bids down. But yeah, you could see like just beautiful bids, guys. Like just like transparently like killing shit. BCH bottom. Beautiful. FIL bottom, like I said, that one already hit. MKR. I actually gave this trade for MKR as well. I didn't realize that this was a trade on the bot, which is nice. I gave the trade. Wow, I gave the trade at the Pico bottom. That's crazy. But you could see that it nuked through the top end of the bids, MKR. You could see on the chart, and I'll show you guys that it gave the range to DCA. And not all the time we'd be able to DCA the whole range, but this one in this case nuked all the way to the bottom end of the bid. So you would have had a full position here, and it would have been underwater. But then it eventually would have flipped back up because we give sufficient. Wow, even the short on TRB, beautiful work, beautiful. So obviously, you know, these aren't all the trades that the bot gave, right? And a lot of trades that the bot gave was canceled as well. But these are all the trades that people that are testing the bot took. Um, and I want to go through a lot of them as well. So let's look at Mask, right? This happened on the nuke, so we'll take a look at Mask. And then I'm going to switch the stream over to Big Doll. I want him to look at some things on the stream as well because I'm only working on one stream right now. Or actually, I could do this. Let me know if you guys could see my chart. Yeah, you should be able to. Okay, beautiful. So we'll look at Mask. And so Mask, you got filled on that nuke, obviously, right down there. The price here is not going to reflect that exact price because remember, it's perp. And I'm looking at the spot chart. So on spot, obviously the price did not get down there, which is how Pico Perfection the bot is. It was able to snipe that 397 level because it was on perps, right? Look at that. The 28th, it moved down, came back up. You got an instant profit on this one, just instant. 25% bottom on Mask, beautiful. We're gonna quickly go through this, guys. Quickly go through a bunch of stuff. Hot. Yeah, let me take a look at that. You gotta remember too, guys. I can't look through every single one of these because some of the trades were canceled. Like if I go back, some were canceled, but some were filled. So I'm only gonna look at the ones that were filled, and we'll just keep our eyes up to this one. We'll keep our eyes here. There's a lot of trades, so I don't want to look through every single one, but I'm gonna look through the ones that were filled, that were not canceled, that were filled. We'll take a look at hot because that's what my boy Doll wanted to look at real quick. You know where it's at? See, a lot of these were canceled. And a lot of the trades that are canceled because they place a new trade. So the AI bot might cancel a trade, but that's because more often than not, it's looking for another trade. So either it might not fill, like our RNDR did not fill. It came close, but it didn't fill. So it canceled that trade. And if I'm not mistaken, I'll flash this up for you. I'm not really worried about you guys taking trades because it might cancel these trades anyway. But yes, so it does not have another trade for render. But if a trade's canceled more often than not, it'll give another trade for it. All right, so hot on the 20th. So this is a little bit ago. So on the 20th, and like I said, I don't want to be selective with the trades I give. There's a few that lost. Like I said, yo, Big Native, can you post how many trades were lost? So, because I'm not gonna be able to see exactly which ones were lost. Obviously, we might look through some and you'll see a loser, but can you transparently give statistics for the last week? How many wins, how many losses, and the ones that were losses? So for hot, let's take a look at it. Holy shit! On the 20th, right? Right here, right? So hot filled you at 221, right over here. And remember, we give a 5% invalidation. So this trade is this is actually a perfect example. I'm glad you brought this one up because this is a good example, as in the trade might have gotten stopped. It came very close, but it didn't because we gave that 5% invalidation, which is how our system works. And because we gave that room, it moved down 3%, flipped back up, and never saw that low again. Never saw that low again. And if you're still in that to this day, you got a 100% move, guys, on leverage. That's sniping orders at its finest. Um, that's one example. Wow, you're still in hot too, beast. Look at that shit. 221. That's crazy. Good shit. Look at native right there. Beautiful stuff. Or my boy David. All right, beautiful. So we got that. We track it for 5 days because we eventually have to do cutoffs. So hot did over. Hot did 100%, dude, not 10%. Tripping. Tripping. So all right, cool. So all right, let's do that. So I just want to show that one. If there's any other ones like that, let me know. But I'm gonna show ones that were filled recently. So LDO was filled 334933332. And I'm not selecting, guys. Like I said, I don't take every single one of these trades. I can't. It's impossible. I take maybe two or three here and there. But LDO, USDT. We're looking at these together for the first time because a lot of these I didn't look at. So, because I like to keep it a mystery sometimes. So, this one right here. Wow, this one was from this one right here. Look at this one. This one was from 282. This was from a while back. This was from the beginning of the month. 282. Snipe this right there. That's crazy. All right, so let me stop. Let me stop. I'm taking too much of your guys' time here. 335, 333, 228. 335, 333, 228. Bam. You got absolutely filled. Oh, wait. 333. Did you get stopped on this? 228, 654. So you might have taken a stop on this LDO trade. because of that cascade down. 335, 333, 228, 228 at 6. Oh my God. Did it give a trade after the cascade? Wow, it did. Holy shit. What a beast. So on LDO, if I'm not mistaken, I'm I'm a little confused about this one. Let me just make sure real quick before I say anything. Oh yeah, yeah. LDO got stopped. LDO got stopped clearly because the cascade. 335. But it filled initially right here. Okay, so I see. So LDO came down, filled right here. It pumped 4.5%, right? Pumped 4.5%. Our invalidation is 5%. So that's why I say in every stream, we're working on alerts as in, the price looks good, you can move stops up, etc., etc. Price here, you got to make decisions on your own when it comes to trading a lot of the times, guys. And when a price fills you Pico bottom and moves up almost 5%, which is your invalidation, that's completely up to you. Price nuked after that because of the cascade, right? Because the terrain was near res and we were about to pull back. It was very clear in the air. Even I smelt it. Everybody smelt it in the air. So that's completely up to your own discretion. I'm not saying you have to close. You don't want to ride to invalidation. You can. But this trade is a good example that it filled fully, right? And then moved up, pumped, and then you would have taken a stop if you didn't move your stops up, but you had the chance to. So I want everyone to be clear about that. Hold on one second, one second, one second. I want to take this down the list. Let's take a look at Matic right here from 228, 12, 3. Take a look at Matic. I'm doing this with one screen, guys, so pardon me. So you got filled Pico bottom of Matic right here on this cascade. Beautiful. 983 down to 978. 983, 978. Right here. Let's say you got an average entry around right here. It would have been 2.3% underwater. Your invalidation is 5. It would have pumped 8.73%, came back down to entry, just about. Yeah, it came right back down to entry, and then pumped 11.5%, and you're still swinging to this day. Perfect example right here. I'm gonna save that. I like that one right there. That's a beautiful example right there. All right, keep it moving. And I'm gonna take questions in a second, guys. Take questions in a second. BCH 1228 again. Let's see what happened on the cascade. Like I said, you probably got filled Pico bottom, but we're gonna take a look. Oh my God, bro. You got filled Pico bottom on BCH before a big move too. Wow, holy shit. This thing amazes me like every time it amazes me, seriously. It's crazy. Oh, what the fuck? 280, 279 on the 28th. So you got filled Pico bottom right there. Pico bottom. 65% move, guys. Pico bottom wick right there on that cascade. Pico bottom. It's full transparency. It's right here. Mira. Let's see what Mira did. I don't even trade this freaking coin. I don't even know what it is. Miria, Bybit, cool. See what it did. 10653. Okay, so this one you got stopped. Am I right, doll? This one you got stopped, clearly. 100% got stopped, clearly. Again, we categorize if it's a low liquidity coin, cascade protection, right? We know The cascade was very clear in day when it was coming. You don't want to be taking every single one of these trades, guys. You pick how many you take, right? And more often than not, you're going to want to take like 3 trades at a time, maybe 4 or 5, depending on your risk management. And your risk has to be managed on these type of trades. But that, not saying excuses for a stop, because a stop will happen. But I'm showing you guys the exact reason that trade took a stop. We cascaded all across the market there, guys. The whole market had to retest that. Every single coin retested there. And this coin was a low liquidity coin, and it nuked through the bids. And it happens. It is what it is. Take a look at 1000 lunacy. And stick through to the end, guys. We'll be doing some giveaways, and we'll be giving out 2 beta access people. We'll be done in about 10-20 minutes or so, guys. Just keep staying tuned. Stay tuned if you want to win. All right, so lunacy 1228. Let's see if you got stopped out of this one. Like, I'm very impressed to see on the cascades, because if majority are filled and not stopping, that's a profitable strategy. You can literally hold these limits and just chill. Super stake bids. So this one might have also stopped. 12-3, 12-3. So 12-3. Yeah, you definitely got stopped out of this. Uh, did you get stopped? Let's see. Yeah, you got stopped at that for sure. And you could see it got stopped, but then it flipped back up and it continued up. So I mean, it got stopped, but it was clearly a good idea. It happens. It was a nuke. And I'm taking a look through all the nuke bids, because eventually we'll have a nuke in the market. I want to see how good we hold amongst cascades. And remember, it's always learning. So every time a cascade like that happens, it learned a new, it learned something. So the next time that happens, it might be a little bit more strategic with the bids. So we'll take a look at GMX here in a sec. 1228, 49, 48.9. Yep, you got filled Pico bottom of GMX. And you could see on those low liquidity coins, they cascaded a lot more. On the coins that are more mid cap, low cap, high cap, you're getting a good fill. So 48.9, you almost gotten stopped on that cascade. You didn't. And you're swinging an entry 20% up, Beautiful. Link filled Pico bottom, and you're still riding it to this day. We'll take a look at Chainlink right now. So Chainlink filled 1228, 1842, 1833. Let's say you got an entry right there. Invalidation 5%. You're in that trade beautifully, and you're swinging an entry from the bottom. Up 18%. 17, 18%, let's call it. I already looked at mask. ENJ was Pico bottom as well, right? Let's take a look at ENJ. 376, 3745. Oh my God. Seriously? Wow. So on ENJ, again, I'm not on the perp chart. Remember that. I'm on the spot chart. So on perp, it filled. On spot, it didn't. And to show you what that means for people that don't know is that on perp, the price might fluctuate at times, right? The price might go a little bit lower than spot, because especially, look at that. So, okay. So this is interesting. So ENJ cascaded a lot more on perp than spot, obviously. You can see this. See? That's the problem sometimes. Like on a lot of these trades, like the Mira, I guarantee you, Mira cascaded much more on perps than it did on spot. And I'll show you guys that right now. See? On Mira, you wouldn't have taken a stop if you played it on spot. But because you played it on perp, you took a stop. So that's another thing to consider as well, that on cascades like that, you might get stopped. That's the way the market is. Just because the market's not in our favor, we might take a stop, and that's very impressive. So EJ 376, 3745. 376, 3745. Let's say you had one right there. Bam. You would have taken a stop, I guess. I mean, it came close. I don't know if anybody took a stop there or what, because I didn't play it. But either way, we see how close it is. Keeping it transparent, keeping it moving. MTL, let's say OP right there. All right, let's take a look at OP, see what happened. 356, 354. Wow, perfect. Yep, more than enough. Swinging it. Beautiful. Lot of fills here, guys. So, I mean, let's see. FIL. It filled, which is a good example. This is a good example right here. So FIL came down. It filled beautifully. I actually played this one as well. It filled right there, pumped 8%, came down again, and then nuked, and then went back up again. It filled though, went up 8%. You take profit and move your stops up, right? That's up to you. And then it came back down and flipped it back up. That's a good fucking example, guys. It's a good example of like, it's a good level. And the AI bot is learning and doing it. So that's that. I'm gonna open up the questions real quick. Anybody have questions? Any questions? Anybody have anything they want to add? Anything OXO. Bro, OXO making me horny. Super horny. This is my big bag right here. My big bag. I actually like snail. Like if you guys are looking for any on-chain gem, I like this one right here. I was in snail from like June 2023. I bought up here, and I mean this is just accumulation at its finest, to be honest. Is it giving perp? It's perp entries, bro. It's perp, but you could use them for spot. It's all up to you. And I just showed what happens when you use it on spot and perp. Um, Emmanuel, I'm sorry, but I'm not taking chart requests. Um, I'm just showcasing stuff right here. Are trades given by the bot based on 4-hour time frame? A lot of different things. A lot of different things. And we also have a few other things to work on as well, guys. Like I don't want to show this just yet. We have a version of the AI bot that's working to chase entries. So we have the ultimate bot, which is a very calculated bot, and then we have a more aggressive bot that it's not even close to working yet, but it's a more aggressive one where let's say if, for an example, let's say FIL dropped from here and then came back up, or let's say it drops, comes back up, and then it drops again. The chaser one is looking for chased entries right here. So it'll give a very aggressive order for an intraday bid right there, assuming aggressive continuation. But that's not yet even near close to completed. And I'm not even going to open that up. So can you show statistics? Yeah. Do we have statistics for this week? Okay, we have statistics coming out for the month, but Jezza, have a good one. Appreciate you. I appreciate the positivity too, bro. Thank you. Cutoff is at the end of the week. I'm gonna do a USD giveaway. I got you. I got you. I'm gonna do $200. And I'm gonna do 2 beta bot access giveaways. Do you ever consider synchronizing the AI with macro crypto news so we could get filled on Newswix? It's not a bad idea. Arash, if you have any ideas, actually let's add Arash into the testers as well, doll. Let's have him test the bot, and let's have my boy Demon test the bot. Yeah, that's good. We'll do 2 right there, and we'll do $200 giveaway. And then let's see if we want to do anything else. I want to talk about the wait list as well, guys. So with the wait list, yo, guys, Arash and Teeman, I gave you access, but I need you guys to abide. There's a few people on the beta access that aren't utilizing it the way that I wanted to. We could also like Crypto Mouse get access as well. For sure. I need you guys to be taking trades, posting P&Ls, being transparent about it, doing all that stuff. That's what I need from you guys. Everybody needs to be using the ref link to even be considered to get access to the bot. I don't need people to get access to the ultimate bot. The more people that get access to the ultimate bot, the more we have to synchronize with the bids that are being taken. And we've noticed that a little bit with the people that are using it, that are using the current bot, testing it with me. We know that there's a discrepancies coming out with the bids. So, and what that means is that more people are taking the bids with us. So, the more people that use the bot, the least or the more edge that it takes from us, basically, right? So I could be using the bot all day, every day, and making profits from it. I don't need to give this bot out to anybody. Make sure you're using the ref. 20 people are going to be considered for waitlist this month. I'm going to only be opening the ultimate bot to 100 people to start with. We're going to take 100 people down on a waitlist, and we're going to let 20 people get access this month. And we'll probably be opening it up as a subscription service. VIPs will get half off. If you produce a certain amount of volume, you'll probably get free access. But that's for people that are actually producing volume. Remember, guys, this server is completely free. All of the bots that we've gave are completely free. And they're very good, high quality bots. The people that help the service run are VIPs or Mafia that are producing volume. Majority of Mafia don't produce enough volume to help us run the server. But we give you guys access because we appreciate the support. The VIPs are the ones that produce enough volume for us to pay our coders, pay our people, pay for the server to run, help us produce more of the bots, help us produce more automations, help us produce the ultimate bot. So the support is very well received, and we appreciate that. But the ultimate bot is what we've been working towards, and that's, I'm sure you guys understand where I'm coming from. And that's all I got to say for that. So if you're a VIP, you're producing a significant amount of volume, before the waitlist is even given out, we will give a certain amount of VIPs full access. Only if you're producing significant amounts of volume. That's not to be an asshole. That's not to be like, oh, you guys are producing volume, so you guys get the most. No, everybody gets access to the whole Discord. Everybody. But the people that are going to be considered for Ultimate Bot are going to be people that are actually helping us grow the Discord. I mean, that's just what it is. Yeah, bro. 99. Bro, I can guarantee you guys, and this is not to sound like, all high and mighty. Show me people that have a bot. Show me. And I guarantee you, their bot pales in comparison to us. I guarantee you. Even KuCoin bots, Pybit bots, exchange bots, they're trash. They want you to use their bot because they get fees from the trades generated. That's why they give you it for free. And I guarantee you, I'm not talking smack about other people, but I guarantee you, anybody's bot, I'm gonna hold my words very lightly. I guarantee you we could code that shit up in a day. I guarantee you if I give Native the job, you tell me a person.
Yeah, go over here, go over here.
Computer died perfect time because it knew I was talking shit. All right, guys, my bad. I'm gonna quit talking shit. I guarantee you, you give me anybody with a bot, I put on But I guarantee you, majority of the bots out there, we could code up in a second. Not a second, in a week. I guarantee you we could have exactly what their code is. What amount of volume needed? What's the volume? You need 1 million of volume in a month, guys. That's not a lot of volume, by the way. It might sound like a lot, but it's not a lot. My boy Legend, man. Love this guy right here. He's a beast. He's the one who brings the high block bot in for us. So, the high block bot is not ours. The high block bot comes from our boy Legend. He hooks it up in the Discord. So shout out the boy. Made over 13 million, bro. Oh, absolutely, Nico. We got you. We got you. He's already what?
He's already VIP.
Oh, yeah. Yo, anybody that's a VIP that's trading with volume, like I said, we didn't give access to majority. We only gave access to a few people for the beta. Anybody that's a VIP already, which means you have a blue name, we're going to go through your names. And if you're producing a significant amount of volume, we're going to give you free access regardless. If we don't give you free access to the beta bot, we will give you half off the beta bot. And for the Mafia, you'll probably end up getting a significant portion off. I'm not going to be charging a significant amount for this. I'm capping the wait list at 100. So 100 people could sign up to the wait list, and we're going to cap it at that. I don't really want more people on it regardless, because I want to be working on the because after that, we're going to be working on the chaser bot. Like I said, when the chaser bot comes out, or when the ultimate bot comes out, the next line of work is the chaser bot. And then remember, we also have the predictive bot as well. So let me actually share the screen on this real quick. All right. So remember from the last time we had the predictive bot right here? What's going on?
I don't know. That's native.
All right. So we have some technical difficulties right now with the predictive bot. But for those that don't remember, it's a predictive bot that takes the support resistance bot that we already have. So we already have the support resistance bot in the Woodsbot V2. All refs have access. Every ref has all the active. The beauty about what we are building is that all people that are using my ref get access to what we already have built. So nobody's missing out on anything right now. So everybody has access to everything we have built already. Everything. We don't keep anything from anybody right now. But for people that don't know what the predictive bot is it takes what the support resistance bot is. So the support resistance bot, everybody knows this bot, or everyone that uses it. It takes 3 years worth of analytics. It puts it within a chart. What the predictive AI bot does is it automatically generates every single hour. It updates the charts with levels. I don't know why it's not working right now. It might be up for maintenance right now, but every hour it shows you Ethan BTC. It shows you 3 levels usually, more often than not. Strong bids, more aggressive ones, and the areas you want to look for longs. So it gives you a good directional bias on the market. That's what it's for. And I'm producing a new channel for the majors. Again, I don't know why these are empty as well. These are probably because my boy Native probably doesn't want people to see. That's probably why. He's probably hiding it from you guys. Yeah, that's probably what it is. So the major trades are going to be anything. So it'll be the ultimate bot and the chaser bot, and that's going to be the majors. The reason why I wanted the chaser bot added in this is because the chaser one on low liquidity coins can get nuked through. And like I said, it's not even close to being done yet. On the majors, though, they've been hitting. So this is a channel that I'm going to be using to make a new bot on its own. And we'll be configuring that as we go. Yeah, I know he deleted these. He definitely took it off. He definitely doesn't want you guys to see this. I love that. Some secret things. Yeah, I knew he did it. All right. Can you please check VIP qualifications? Wait a sec. Just found I have a 30-day per volume limit. Yep. Exalion. Server booster mafia. I'm gonna give you VIP right now, and I'll take a look at it later. I gave Exalion VIP, bro. You heard? All right. Yeah. You're good, bro. You're good. You're good. Yep. Like I said, guys, it's not hard to get VIP, but the VIPs that are trading with significant volume are the ones that help grow the Discord. And you guys understand that. I understand that. Those are the people that are going to be getting free access to the bot. Those are the only ones that are going to get free access. Everybody else has to pay. We're not going to charge a crazy amount. Originally, we were going to charge a crazy amount, but we're not going to charge a crazy amount, especially for my supporters. Anybody that isn't supporting me, you're going to pay full price. You know, it's a working product. I don't have to tell you guys on that, nor do I really want to. I don't really care. Like I said, I don't really care about how many people we have to pay for the bot because this is quality, man. This is quality over quantity, the way that I see it and the way that I want to push it. I only want a few people to use the bot anyway. 100 people to me is a win. And even if I want, even 20 people that are using this is a win for me. I want the mass to just use our automations, the Woodsbot V2, the high block or the high block bot, the index automations, the Monday range bot, right? The alert bot. I want majority to come for that. Um, and then I want the people that actually do what they do to be utilizing the ultimate bot because the ultimate bot is where the money is made. The automations is what you use to find confluences for yourself. And I don't want people to rely on the ultimate bot. I want people to make money off the ultimate bot. I don't want people to rely on it. And the people that are going to make money from it are the people that know how to trade and the people that are going to be able to trade. What would be considered significant volume is what's significant volume? I'll tell you what significant volume is. Significant volume to me is one, two, 175, 1, 2, 3. If you're doing anything over like I don't want to give an exact number. If you're doing anywhere from 5 to 10, you'll be considered. Anything from 3 to 5 monthly is a good amount of volume for on the month. But it's got to, yeah, exactly. It has to be consistent. If you're doing that throughout the month, then you're supporting us, and that's what's growing the server. And yeah, you're for sure good, Nico, man. 12 million is more than enough, bro. Trust me. And I appreciate that, Nico. I really appreciate the support, bro. I have a small portfolio. How do I get access? No problem, bro. I'm not going to be charging a lot of money, man. If you're using my ref, you'll be able to reap the rewards for a low price for the bot, man. I don't want to. I don't want to make people feel like they have to drain their accounts. And remember, when you're using the ultimate bot, man, you're going to be making that tenfold regardless. I'm not promising anything because at the end of the day, it comes to your risk management. If you blow it all on one trade, like the Miria trade, remember, guys, when we're giving you guys when the AI bot's giving the trades, it's telling you very low volume, extremely risk. So on that cascade that happened, that Miria trade was down here. You can't be over risking your portfolio in that trade. You want to be risking more towards the high volume coins. And you don't want to be taking every single trade at once. You have to manage your risk. If you blow your account on one trade, that's your own fault. That's not my fault. That's not the bot's fault. So you have to be making sure that you're managing your risk. And in the future, we're going to be implementing things like where our alerts tell you, a trade filled or a trade was canceled. We'll have in the future where for certain trades, it'll tell you, let's say you're in a trade for Link and it says, oh, an RSI divergence printed on the 4-hour over your entry, or move your stop loss up to 1920 because it should not come down. Move there. Because if I was to take a trade market, we'd want our invalidation there anyway. We're going to be producing that, and we'll have like an AI bot with some corner basically. And it'll just be working for you, right? So it's all about your risk management, and how you make money at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you could make that money back on one trade. I switched to Blowfin because I lost access to my FMX account on KYC. I do want to get involved. My boy Mamba, you have always been a supporter of me, bro. I know you from way back in the day, bro. I'm not gonna skimp you out. I know you're a supporter of me. I'm gonna give you access to Mafia.
Give him V2.
What's up?
Give him V2.
I'm gonna give you the V2 role. That's just because we haven't given the Blowfins Mafia access, but anybody that's using it has access to the bots. As well, Mamba, bro, you trade. I know you're gonna get access to the ultimate bot anyway, bro, because I know how you work, bro. Yeah, he's at my house. He just flew here from Canada yesterday. But he's here. I'll sell him back. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna give access. So the wait list. Give me about a week. and I'm going to give you guys more information about the waitlist. I want to have the waitlist out in a week, but I'm in the works of creating a website, and I need a little bit more of a push from you guys. And like I said, the more people that push, the more I'm going to give you guys, the more results you guys are going to see. And to conclude, I want to give you guys a, yo, can you guys hear me? Oh, okay. I thought I just disconnected. I want to give away $200 real quick. So I want to do it fair. I just don't want to choose somebody because I feel like I'm gonna play favorites, even though I try not to. Got me my time of yo, that's got me. All right, we're gonna give Jezza $100. Give my boy Hero $50. You're good, dude. What's up, Punisher? Good to see you, bro. Rather have the bots access than bucks. The bot X is more valuable than $100 for sure. I agree. Absolutely. I need you as VP. I got you here. I got you, man. No problem, Punisher. Yo, Punisher, if I give you access to the bot, would you be able to test it how I want it, bro?
Just tell him to DM me. Figure it out.
Punisher, DM Big Doll, and we'll tell you what we need from you. We'll let you test the bot as well, bro. You're a G. We'll get access to my boy Nico as well. All right, that's it on the band access. I'm done giving band access to anybody anymore. Because the waitlist is coming out, and then once the waitlist comes out, I'm gonna let people in right away. So just because you put your name in a waitlist does not mean you're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna put a waitlist out, and I'm gonna give access to people right away. So 20 people are gonna get access to the waitlist right away. Most likely the first 20, but remember, I'm considering everything. People that sign to the waitlist, we're gonna take a little bit of information.
Yeah, here you know.
Yo, yo. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Okay, beautiful. Can you guys tell me the last thing I said? Oh, Puffy. TM Big Dollar, bro. I owe him $100. You won the giveaway from a few days. I forgot to give you the $100, bro. My bad, bro. I got you. Just make sure you DM Dollar, okay? Anybody remember the last thing I said? $100,000 giveaway. You said you whitelisted me. Yoko, my boy. Wait, how come your name's green? I thought you were blue. I thought it was blue, wasn't it? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna produce a wait list within the next week. We'll probably have about 100 to 200 people on the wait list, I can assume. I'm gonna give 20 people access. The VIPs that are producing with significant volume are gonna get free access. The VIPs that are not producing significant volume are gonna get half off. Mafia is gonna get 25% off automatically. And Anybody that's not supporting that is in the Discord will probably get a slight discount. Um, is this the RSI bot or something else? This is the ultimate bot, Sweezy. This is for the ultimate bot. Sweezy, my boy, why don't yo, Sweezy, I already told my boy about you. We're gonna get you access, bro. Don't worry. We're gonna get you access into the Discord. I know you don't have access right now, but I got you, my brother. Good to see you too, bro. I'm glad you're back, my friend. Yep, Luffy, can you DM Doll? I need you to DM Doll. You won $100. I forgot to give you the $100, bro. You make sure you DM him. I'll get you the $100. I got you, bro. Big bossy, my boy. How much will the bot cost? I'm not gonna charge an arm and a leg. Originally, I was gonna charge a significant amount because I want quality over quantity, guys. You got to remember, I want quality over quantity. I want people that are gonna join the bot. They're gonna know what they spend for it, and they're gonna know how to manage it and make it. I don't want to charge like I'm not gonna charge like $100 a month, and I'm not gonna charge $1,000 a month. But I'm gonna charge somewhere. I'm gonna charge somewhere there, and it's not gonna be an arm and a leg. It's gonna be enough to where 100 people have access. I'm happy. They're happy. We don't need anybody more. I don't need people to use the ultimate bot. Like I said, I make enough money on it to fucking. I make enough on that shit. I gotta say. And like I said, bro, these are for people that are. This bot is for people that respect trading. This is the bot that for people that respect it. They respect the game. They're not all inning every trade. They're not looking at the charts. They're not blindly aping. They're not, this is for them. And this is for us. And you could also create a directional opinion around these trades as well. Like right now, the ultimate bot is not getting fills as much as it was a few days ago, but that's because it's patient. It's patient now. It's been patient for 2 days now. I don't think it's had a fill since yesterday. It had the TRB short yesterday, which was a good fill, and it had an MKR fill 2 days ago, 3 days ago, which was the Pico bottom. But other than that, it hasn't traded since the cascade. But that's because it's patient. It's calculated. It's waiting for the level that me and Mikkel are waiting for. Or that John and I are waiting for. It's patiently. I don't know if this will fill on BCH. I doubt that'll fill. It's patiently waiting for fills right now. It's patient, right? It's not throwing out short orders, but it's patient for limits. So what does that tell you? As a trader, if you see that the AI bot is not being aggressive with bids and it's patient with bids and it's not giving shorts, then what does that tell you as a trader? What does that tell you? It tells me that if I'm trading today, I'm scalping and that we probably have a pullback early next week. That's what it's telling me. That's what that's. It means chill the fuck out, or it means if you're taking entries right now, play half size and TP super aggressively and scalp until it breaks. Right? That's what it does, and that's why I have the ultimate majors right here. That's why I'm creating this one because I want to personally create my own bot around a directional opinion on the market. So I'm testing this out myself, and that's why I have this one. That's why Big Native took that off because he didn't want you guys to see because he knew I would fucking show you guys. The bot's goal is to make money, not to be consistently trading. If it can make close to 100 wins trading a few times per week, then what more do you need? Exactly, bro. If you're trading with like $100 capital, let's say, right? And let's say, just for example, it costs $100 a month to trade that. And you take a few trades on that $100 account and you made $20 on one trade, you made $30 on another trade, you made $20 on another. You're making your money back in a few trades trading with minuscule size. You know what I'm saying? Accuracy over quantity, quality over quantity, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, I appreciate it. I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. If anybody has a question or anything they want to add, you're more than welcome to. I appreciate the support from everybody. Thank you so much. You guys seriously, really, really like make me love what I'm doing here with the Discord. You make my team love what they're doing. Um, Anybody that joined Wealth Group, I'm gonna give a discount to people that are in Wealth Group as well. So if you're in Wealth Group, you're not supporting me, I'll still give you a discount. No worries. You don't have to support me as well. I don't force anybody to switch their links over. You don't have to do that by any means necessary. But I appreciate anybody that does. And you guys help me build. And yeah, I appreciate you. I love you too, bro. I appreciate that. I'm gonna do another. Yeah, absolutely. If anybody's coming to Dubai, you're gonna meet me there. April 18th, I think, to the 25th, something like that. I'll be going down there with John. Guru's gonna be there. Eli's is gonna be there. And Big Doll, I'm gonna try to get there. I don't know if he wants to come around. You want to come to Dubai, bro? I'll get you out there. I will have a blunt ready. Oh shit, we might get arrested, bro. Woodsy, you're a legend only because of you. I learned. Ah, bro, I appreciate that, man. That means a lot, bro. Thank you. I've been doing this game for a while. I got respect for the game, right? A lot of people don't have respect for the game. I respect the game. I know what this is. And sometimes the market it takes me through the ringer. But you know what that is? Is because I overwork myself every day. I try to do something every day. Name me a person that provides the content every day in the market, regardless. I shouldn't be doing that because it ruins mentality more than anything. But I try to every day. I mean, other than John, Eli's, right? Because I know they work just as hard as me. Eli's, John, there's a few people that work as hard as I do. A lot of people as well on crypto Twitter. I'm not shading anybody at all. That's not to do what that is, but a lot of patience is rewarded, and I need to preach that more to myself, which I have been doing a lot more this last week or two. But I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna do another stream next week, and we'll chat soon, guys. Feel free to DM me or Doll about anything, guys. Anything. I closed the Discord as well, so it's not open to the public anymore. So anybody that's in here is in here. If you lose access, you're losing it for a reason. You know that reason just as much as I do, just as much as Dal does. So you can't fool anybody.
Everything.
Yeah, he knows everything. Also, if you lose access, or if you're not trading, guys, we don't want to kick anybody off that's not trading. If you're not trading, we see that and we have to kick you off after a few weeks of not trading, right? We give you time. If you're consistently not trading and you're putting in a trade, let's say once every 3 weeks to keep it active, that's not a real supporter. We're kicking you out. We don't need that. And if you're going on vacation and you don't plan to be trading, let us know so we don't kick you out. We don't want to just kick you out because you're not trading because you don't want to trade or because it's not your time to trade. Let us know. We're not going to kick people off for that. But the people that try to rig the system, we don't need you. I don't need that shit. Support someone else. I don't need that. I need people that want to actually support me. I need people that want to support the bot, support what we're building, support the movement. That's it. That's all I want. But I appreciate you guys. Again, I don't want to take too much of your time. We'll speak next week, and obviously throughout the week, I'll provide you guys with updates. And keep your eye for the waitlist. We're gonna provide that next week for you guys. So I don't want to give a set time. Maybe next week. Hopefully next week. Probably next week. Mark my words. I'll probably have it next week. Peace, guys.